activate the law of attraction, you need to align your energy with the things you desire. For the next 3 days, repeat this powerful affirmation. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer, and I attract them effortlessly. By focusing on this affirmation, you'll begin to notice how it shifts your energy, opening the doors to abundance and positive change. Let's explore how this affirmation works to bring your desires to life. Words are more than just sounds or symbols. They are powerful vibrations that shape your reality. Every time you speak, your words send a signal to the universe, activating the law of attraction. This affirmation, I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer, and I attract them effortlessly, is a declaration of your worth and an invitation for abundance to flow into your life. When you say these words, you are making a promise to yourself that you are open to receiving. By focusing on your worthiness and effortless attraction, you align yourself with the energy of abundance rather than lack. The more you repeat this affirmation, the more you condition your subconscious to believe it, and the more the universe responds by sending opportunities your way. It's important to recognize that every word you speak has the potential to manifest, and by consciously using affirmations like this one, you can begin to reshape your life. When you say it with intention, you're aligning your inner beliefs with the universal flow, setting in motion the energy that will attract what you desire. Repeating affirmations is one of the most effective ways to reprogram your mind. But it's not just about the words, it's about the intention behind them. Every time you say, I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer, and I attract them effortlessly, you must feel the truth of those words in your heart and mind. The key to manifesting through affirmations is to say them with deep intention and belief. It's not enough to simply repeat the words mechanically. You must internalize them and feel their power. Visualize yourself already living the life you want as you say the affirmation. For example, as you say, I am worthy, imagine yourself receiving compliments, achieving goals, or being celebrated for your accomplishments. When you bring emotion into your words, you amplify their energy. The universe responds to the energy you put out, and when you repeat the affirmation with belief, you begin to vibrate at a frequency that attracts positive energy. The more focused and intentional you are with each repetition, the more aligned you become with the energy of abundance. This practice gradually rewires your mind to expect good things, opening up the channels for manifestation. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools you can use to amplify the effectiveness of affirmations. While repeating your affirmation, take a few minutes to visualize exactly what all the good things life has to offer looks like for you. The more specific and vivid your vision, the stronger your manifestation will be. Start by closing your eyes and imagining your life as you desire it to be. Visualize the details. What does it feel like? Where are you? Who are you with? See yourself living in abundance, surrounded by love, success, and peace. As you repeat the affirmation, see your desires unfolding in real time. For example, if you want financial abundance, imagine yourself receiving unexpected checks, paying off debts, and feeling the relief and excitement that comes with that freedom. The more detailed and immersive your visualization, the more powerful the affirmation becomes. As you picture yourself already having what you want, you create a magnetic force field that pulls those desires towards you. Your mind doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination, so when you vividly picture your desires, your brain starts to believe they are already true, setting the stage for the universe to deliver. Gratitude is a life-changing emotion that has the power to elevate your vibration and accelerate manifestation. When you express gratitude, you shift from a mindset of lack to one of abundance, which is essential for the law of attraction to work. As you repeat your affirmation, take a moment to feel truly grateful for everything you already have in your life. Start your affirmation by saying, I am grateful for all the good in my life, and I am worthy of even more. Gratitude makes you aware of the positive things already present, reinforcing that you have everything you need to create more. Whether it's your health, relationships, or opportunities, expressing gratitude for them acknowledges that you are already abundant. This shift in perspective primes you for more blessings to come your way. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, which is one of the fastest ways to align with abundance. When you focus on the positives, you vibrate at a higher frequency, making it easier for the universe to send more positivity and opportunities your way. The more you practice gratitude, the more the universe will deliver reasons for you to be grateful. Trust is the foundation of successful manifestation. Once you've said your affirmation and visualized your desires, you must trust that the universe is already working on your behalf. You don't need to control the how or when. It's your job to set the intention and let go of the rest. When you say, I attract them effortlessly, you are affirming that everything you desire is already on its way, and you trust that it will come to you at the right time and in the right form. Letting go of the need to force things to happen allows the universe to work in its own time and way. Often, the universe delivers better outcomes than we could ever imagine. By trusting the process, you release any doubts or fears, making space for your desires to manifest. Patience is key. Manifestation isn't an overnight process, and the universe may be rearranging situations behind the scenes to make your desires come true. The more you trust, the more you let go of resistance and open yourself to receiving. Affirmations alone won't bring results if your actions aren't aligned with them. The universe responds to both your energy and your actions. When you say, I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer, and I attract them effortlessly, make sure that your actions reflect that same belief. If you believe that abundance is coming into your life, then take inspired action. This could mean starting a new project, pursuing opportunities you've been avoiding, or simply being open to new experiences. The affirmation invites the universe to send opportunities your way, but you must act on them when they arise. When you align your actions with your affirmation, you create a powerful momentum that makes your manifestation even more likely. If you feel resistance to taking action, ask yourself why. Are there any fears or limiting beliefs holding you back? By confronting and overcoming these obstacles, you strengthen your belief in the affirmation and invite more abundance into your life. Action and belief go hand in hand in the manifestation process. Limiting beliefs are the silent barriers that prevent many people from manifesting their desires. These beliefs are usually learned from past experiences or societal conditioning. They tell you that you're not worthy or that good things don't come easily. Saying, I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer, and I attract them effortlessly, directly challenges these beliefs. To let go of limiting beliefs, pay attention to any negative thoughts that arise when you repeat the affirmation. These thoughts may appear as doubts or fears such as, I don't deserve this, or I'm not capable. When you notice them, gently challenge them by reminding yourself of your worth. Replace those thoughts with empowering beliefs that align with your affirmation. This shift in mindset will gradually rewire your subconscious mind to support your manifestation process. Recognize that limiting beliefs don't define who you are or what you can achieve. By repeating the affirmation and replacing negative beliefs with positive ones, you actively break free from these self-imposed limitations, making room for the abundance you deserve. A key part of manifestation is learning to surrender control. After setting your intentions and repeating your affirmation, you must trust that the universe will deliver in its own perfect timing. When you try to force things to happen, you create resistance, which blocks the flow of abundance. Surrendering doesn't mean giving up on your goals or desires. It means releasing the need to control the details. Trust that the universe has a plan that is even better than what you could have imagined. Let go of the how and focus on the what, the outcome you desire. When you surrender, you create space for the universe to work its magic, aligning everything to bring you what you've asked for. When you find yourself feeling anxious or impatient, return to your affirmation and trust that everything is unfolding as it should. Surrendering control allows your manifestations to flow more freely and easily, giving you the peace of mind to enjoy the process. Patience is crucial when working with the law of attraction. While affirmations and visualizations can set your intentions in motion, manifestations take time. Saying, "I attract them effortlessly," implies that things will unfold naturally, but this process requires time and patience. Trust the timing of the universe and give yourself the grace to wait. The more patient you are, the more you allow the universe to work behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. Practice patience by reminding yourself that what's meant for you will come at the right time, and forcing it could delay the outcome. By cultivating patience, you stay in alignment with your desires and avoid frustration. Patience is not about passively waiting. It's about taking inspired action when it's time and trusting the process while maintaining a positive, abundant mindset. By following this process, repeating your affirmation with intention and aligning your actions with your desires, you will begin to attract everything you've dreamed of. Manifestation is not just about wishing for things, it's about aligning your energy with the universe and taking consistent steps toward your goals. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to tap into the energy of abundance. Keep trusting the process, stay focused on your affirmation, and watch as your dreams come to life effortlessly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content that empowers you to manifest the life you deserve.